Laryngeal prominence.
Well, the whole cartilage is the thyroid cartilage.
Oh.
Yeah, this is called the thyroid cartilage. It's just that anterior point that is called the laryngeal prominence.
So then the thyroid cartilage
Is the
that
whole thing?
plate,
I thought it was just like.
like
The whole
kind
thing
of,
is
yeah.
the thyroid cartilage.
Okay.
Yeah, then the more right below it, this cartilage right below the thyroid is the cricoid. This is the one that gets really wide on the posterior side, but it's more narrow anteriorly. It's also the boundary between the larynx and the trachea. Okay, so on the posterior side of the, this model is really covered up here. We have some other ones that show these cartilages more clearly, but I just want to grab one from next door. And I see now they're showing more muscle here. Anyway, this is the posterior side of the cricoid. And sitting on top of it, this is like totally covered up. Let me see if we look at the cut, if you can see. This is going to be the arytenoid cartilage. I just took this apart once. You can't really see it. Yeah, it's covered up. So anyway, there is the cartilage right here on top of the cricoid. That is the arytenoid. And sitting on top of that is the tiny little corniculate. Okay, that first little bump. And then embedded in the wall here, in the mucous membrane, is the cuneiform. Okay, those little bumps there are cuneiform cartilages. This whole thing here, the whole thing sticking up is the epiglottis. The cartilage of the epiglottis is just called the epiglottic cartilage. That one is elastic. Okay, and then you have these inferior folds would be the true vocal cords, and the more superior folds right here would be the false vocal cords, or vestibular folds. And then the lumen right here between the true vocal cords would be the rima glottidis. So that's what you would see if you put these together. You look down in the center, the lumen right between the true vocal cords is the rima glottidis, and it's also what opens into the trachea.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I was just telling them